We interrupt normal programming. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 3:30 a.m. the virus now named AVO disease has escaped from the lab. The symptoms of this virus are coughing, sneezing, a fever of 105 degrees. After 10 minutes the infected will have a seizure, before expiring and dying. 1 minute after dying the dead will rise and attack all non-infected nearby, in an attempt to pass on the disease. The infection rate is 100%, the mortality rate is 100%. National Guard will be patrolling the streets. Do not leave your home. We interrupt normal programming. The AVO disease has spread to Maine. The main symptoms are death, reanimation, and aggressive behavior. The disease is spreading westward at a rapid pace. Do not leave your shelters. This concludes operations under the Georgia State Emergency Alert System. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt normal programming. This is a national alert. This is not a test. The United States government has decided to drop nukes on all major cities in the country. This concludes this operation of the Georgia State Emergency Alert System. This is not a test. Evacuate all major cities. To evacuate, tie a white towel to your mailbox. Gather supplies such as toiletries, phones, phone chargers, food and water to last 7 days, and batteries with battery chargers. This is not a test. A vaccine had been developed. All infected citizens who have died to this disease and reanimated into a state of moving death, known officially now as zombies, are gathering in large cities. If there are any citizens in any city excluding towns, you are required to leave immediately. Avoid making noise to not draw attention to yourself. Prefer an all-terrain vehicle. Some roads have little to no access. Bring food and water to last 14 days. Do not use the sewer system to escape at any circumstances. This concludes this broadcast. The United States government has fallen. All safe zones are currently inoperable. Any local governments are required to protect their citizens until the United States government is re-established. May God watch over you all.